Hi guys, in this tutorial let's explore some other charts which are available in Tableau. So if I go to show me, you can see that there are many types of charts that we have discussed before. So let's pick one or two charts in this tutorial and let's see how we can create them. So first one is bubble chart, and this is also known as packed bubbles. So let's create it. So just for your reference, for bubble chart we need one or more dimensions and one or two measures. So just one measure and one dimension can also work. So let's pick dimension as region, and for the dimension let's pick sales. So currently it's showing as bar chart, but let's go on show me and click on bubbles. So now we can see we can have bubble chart by using just one dimension and one measure. But here we are not getting an idea between east and west, like which have the greatest number of sales. So by hovering on east we can see that 6,78,000 something is sales for east, and for west it's 7.25k, 725k. So to add on more clarity on this visualization, let's put sales on label as well. Now as we discussed in last tutorials, that we can format measures by going into format and selecting the field, then go to numbers and select custom number, and let's make it in millions. So now we can see that west has 0.73 million and east has 0.68 million of sales, and we can do modifications in our label, like if I want sales to be on top and the region on the bottom. So go to label, go to this three dots which can be seen here. Now you can just cut this and place it at the bottom of sales, and we can also change the coloring of it by selecting and changing the color, and let's make it bold and increase its size to 14. Okay, since we selected orange color, so it is not reflecting here. Let's change the color, let's make it gray. Okay, now we can see the font has been increased and we have selected specific color for the font, and we have also changed the position of the region and the number of sales. Now let's do one thing, let's add some details in tooltip as well. So along with sales, let's also see quantity. Pick quantity and place it on tooltip. Pick discount and place it on tooltip, and also profit. So now if we hover on it, we can easily see that in specific region how much was the sales, how much quantity we sold, how much was the profit and the discount. So these bubble charts can be very helpful, and it's fancy, you can say fancy visualization technique that is used nowadays. But yes, for these dimensions and measures, some other charts can also be created, such as text tables and bar charts with with one or two dimensions. Otherwise it can be little messy. And if you go to show me, there are some other charts available like tree maps, and here we can see that we have 4 regions and we can see similar type of tooltips. So this is how we can create bubble chart and tree maps, and this is all for this video. See you guys soon.